I just got back from a much needed vacation to the beach, so today I am taking you guys with me to the car wash to tiny tidy my car, so stay tuned. Today's Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny tidy Tuesday. And because I did just get back from vacation, I wanted to take my car to the car wash. I wanted to wash the sea off of my car, and I wanted to vacuum out the sand, and I thought this would be a great tiny tidy to take you along with me. I would like to thank Sunday Dawn, as always, for putting this collaboration together. Please check out her channel, The Helpful Home, listed in my description box below, along with the rest of the Tiny Tidy playlist. Tiny tidy can take many forms, whether you are decluttering something in your home, maybe you are cleaning an area of your home, maybe you're decluttering something in your computer or on your phone, maybe you're even cleaning out your car. This weekend I took a much needed vacation and I am cleaning the sand out of my car, and I thought, why not take you guys along with me? I went through the car wash and I wanted you guys to see that, and I love the vacuums that they have at the car wash, so I wanted to take advantage of those while I was there. So I thought, why not bring you guys along and show you that tiny tidies can be cleaning out your car too. I also wanted to take just a moment and talk with you guys and tell you why I have not posted in a few days. Nothing major is going on. It's just that, sometimes it's okay to not be okay. And I try to keep everything uplifting and positive on my channel. And I am okay, but I'm not okay. Meaning, I'm okay physically, I'm okay, my heart's okay, but mentally right now I am going through some harder times, so I want to be 100% transparent about that. I am celebrating, would you call it celebrating? I'm not really sure what you would call it, but I am going through a time when 3 years ago I was in the hospital. I was fighting for my life, and sometimes that causes me to have some PTSD, and sometimes I just feel like taking a break from social media, from just spending some time away from my phone, just spending some time reflecting, spending time also just being thankful. And that's one reason why we went to the beach this weekend. We went to Hilton Head, and then we went to Savannah to spend the day. It was so nice to get away for a long weekend. It helped me to clear my mind. It helped me to not focus on the past, because the past is in the past. And we should try to look to the future and not in the past. But 3 years ago, it was really hard for me. So I thought, it would be really good just to get away, take some time and unwind. And one day I was sitting on the beach. I was actually sitting in the sand. I had my legs in the ocean, and it just felt absolutely wonderful. And as I was doing that, I was thanking God that I had this time at the beach to reflect and to spend time at the ocean, opposed to being in the hospital and going through that battle. So it was a good time for me to take a trip and to reflect and to spend some time working on me and working on myself. So I know that I only put out one video last week. I am still doing the 100 days to a clean home. I will be picking up with day 6 when I post again, and that will be on a Sunday. But I did just want to take a little bit of a break and just do absolutely nothing, because I needed that, because I need to bring positivity and I need to bring positivity to you guys, because you guys always help to bring that to me and to encourage me. And I just want to thank you guys so much for always being there for me, and for always uplifting me, and for always making life a great journey. So I'm just going to put on some music as I finish cleaning out my car. And I just want to remind you guys to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and today's Tiny Tidy playlist. And just remind you guys that I love you, that I love you guys all so much. And I would love, if you're not part of my YouTube family, I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family. If you are new, I am a former teacher and I am a heart warrior. And right now, I would absolutely love your thoughts and prayers and good vibes if you want to send those my way, as I do reflect upon some traumatic times that I had 3 years ago. So I'm just going to leave you guys with some music, and just remember to take time to live, laugh, and love today. I love you guys.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough. We'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the lake. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave, and if it all falls, if it all breaks, I'll still be here. fix these mistakes. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man. Searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When the time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note.